Imagine a world where AI writes your code, quantum computers solve problems in seconds, and technology evolves faster than we can keep up. This isn't science fiction, it's happening right now. I'm Sir Historious, and today we're diving into the cutting edge world of coding and technology and how it's transforming our future. From the days of massive room sized computers to today's sleek AI driven systems, coding and technology have come a long way. But how did we get here? And where are we headed next? The roots of modern programming can be traced back to pioneers like Alan Turing, who laid the foundation for computer science, and Grace Hopper, who helped develop the first compilers. Fast forward to today, and coding language like Python, JavaScript, and Rust drive the digital world around us. What was the first programming language you learned or want to learn? Now, AI is reshaping the way we code. Tools like GitHub, Copilot, and OpenAI Codex can generate code, fix bugs, and even suggest entire functions, all from simple prompts. But will AI ever replace human programmers completely? Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing automation and software development. Quantum computing is unlocking computational power at unprecedented scales. Blockchain powering decentralized applications and smart contracts. 5G and IoT connecting devices across the globe for a smarter, more efficient world. Beyond traditional coding, immersive technologies like virtual reality and augmented reality are creating new digital experiences, blurring the lines between the virtual and real world. But with great innovation comes great responsibility. Questions about data privacy, automation replacing jobs, and AI ethics are at the forefront of technological development. The future of technology isn't just about progress, it's about balance. Technology and coding are shaping the world faster than ever before. Whether you are a seasoned developer or just tech curious, staying informed is the key to understanding our digital future. Want to dive deeper into stories of innovation and hidden histories? Subscribe for more deep dives into tech, history, and the future. I'm Sir Historious. Until next time, stay curious and keep coding.